Welcome to the Guide to Betterment iOS app, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you navigate and utilize the features of this popular investment platform. The Betterment app is a user-friendly tool that allows you to manage your investments, track your portfolio, and make informed financial decisions. To get started, download the Betterment app from the App Store and create an account. Once you have logged in, you will be presented with a dashboard that provides an overview of your portfolio, including your account balance, investment returns, and asset allocation. The first step in using the Betterment app is to set your financial goals. This can be done by selecting the goal type, such as retirement or a major purchase, and setting a target date and amount. The app will then provide a recommended investment portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. Next, you can explore the various investment options available, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. The app provides detailed information on each investment, including its historical performance, fees, and risk level. You can also customize your portfolio by adjusting the allocation of your investments. The Betterment app also provides a range of tools and features to help you manage your investments, including automatic rebalancing, tax loss harvesting, and retirement planning. These features can help you optimize your portfolio and minimize taxes. In addition to investment management, the Betterment app also provides a range of educational resources and tools to help you improve your financial literacy. These resources include articles, videos, and webinars on topics such as investing, retirement planning, and personal finance. To get the most out of the Betterment app, it is essential to regularly review and update your portfolio. This can be done by monitoring your account activity, adjusting your investment allocation, and rebalancing your portfolio as needed. By following these steps and utilizing the features and tools available, you can use the Betterment app to achieve your financial goals and improve your overall financial well-being. The app is designed to be user-friendly and accessible, making it an ideal tool for both beginners and experienced investors.